GMC here.
Back of GMC. We're going to the backyard. The GMC backyard.
GMC, RJ.
We also have washed car.
Yeah.
You want to go there, get it washed again? Let's do this. Costs money though.
Yeah.
God, the 10 washes?
Yep. Just keep washing it over and over and over.
There he is.
That'll be too loud every time. It'll hurt my ears.
They have none left. They sold them all.
Look at that. No more
That's a
pickup
little.
truck.
That's a little one.
Yeah.
No, it's a big one. Yeah, looks little.
Look like me. There. The white one.
Yeah, mommy liked the white.
I want that.
You like the Denali red?
So big truck.
Oh, they got
Look
some
at
silvers
that.
This one.
Look at that truck.
That one.
So big.
They finally got some silvers. That's
Wow. Nice silver.
There it is,
Look
right
at
there.
that.
good. SLT Sierra right there.
Wow.
That's the one I want. There are two of them.
SLT. Nice.
Is the other one SLT also?
Wow.
Oh, it's got the retractable.
SLT.
Want to look at them?
Then the salesman gonna come.
Yeah. It's just looking, RJ. Look at that, RJ. All the cars.
Denali's
so
too
big.
expensive.
Yes, yes. Expensive. But
Expensive.
at this car,
So
have
there
a
are
lot.
two SLTs.
Not nice. Cute. It looks like it's high.
That one has no window in the back.
No, I said not that one. Like that one, like flying.
The red.
He's on a hill.
That's the favorite color, RJ. That
Look
you
at
like,
us.
RJ?
Are they coming?
I don't know.
There's another SLT.
Oh, right.
Going package anyway.
SLT.
Yeah.
SLT.
So expensive, RJ.
There's
It's just looking.
the SLT.
Right, it's got a lot of options. The SLT, which is nice.
Cannot afford that. Too much money, RJ.
Yeah. Wait, wait.
Oh, Daddy, get out. Oh, coming to get out, Daddy.
Oh, look at this one.
Look at Daddy now. Yeah. So big, RJ. But inside, RJ, look at that there. Wow, take picture, RJ. Here he is, RJ. What? That the red one? That you like? Wow. Wow, it's so expensive, that RJ. That the red one? Look at that, so big. All the red you like, RJ?
I show you something.
There he is, RJ. Nice mountain. Speed limit 70.
I want.
There is James C. It's RJ.
What?
Hey, Home Depot now.
Let's see what the sign is.
There's the
Oh, they
black
raised the price.
bark, RJ.
They raised it.
Oh no.
Yeah,
How
it was-
much now?
Now it's $366.
Oh no.
So it's like $12 for four.
Yeah.
But shut that.
So to get four of them, you have to get at least 6. So I really only lost $8 now. Although it's black, it's not a good deal anymore. It's a good thing we looked, huh?
Yeah. Trader.
Real green. We can cut them like that someday.
Yeah.
The little level greens, huh?
Nursery
That shit.
in Home Depot. Oh, have a grass there. Sad.
You go fast now.
Nobody ever wants this spot here.
Oh, have spot here.
That's the spot we picked again.
Yeah.
I said nobody wants it.
Be careful, RJ. Here's RJ.
Does that. Don't hold it.
There is the fruits and vegetables here. Corn. There is the favorite RJ apple. RJ.
Carrot tomato.
Yeah. There's the
That's
vegetables.
cucumber.
Yep.
I want Pepsi.
Bakery there. Candies here. There's a donut here, RJ. Donut. 38 cents, RJ each. Sushi, seafood deli.
Hi.
Yeah, hey, RJ. Hey, RJ, go. Yeah.
Another one was broken.
Yeah. That's good.
Money bar from mommy.
Okay.
Can't find the car. Snapped all over.
Okay. Cheap ahoy there, RJ. Yeah. How much? It's 256. Here is the paper towel. Honey, here for 28 and 182.
Put the pizza in there.
Here we get the pizza.
And all the other stuff is supposed to go.
You want a TV dinner, honey?
No, no.
Good.
I ate this
I don't know where it is.
Here, RJ.
The first opening call. Told me that.
I ate this.
It's up to you, honey.
You make a choice. I'll decide.
Chicken, where the? Oh, you like the
Oh,
cheese?
I like that one on the bottom.
Italian.
You don't like
I ate
cheese.
this.
Oh.
Hey, Pitch. I have to show you something.
What? What's that? $34, RJ.
Teddy.
Round barbecue grill, RJ.
Now barbecue.
$34.98.
Very good.
There's the chips there. The orange?
Right, because they was in the wrong spot.
Yep,
Not know who changes.
yep.
They're out again to soak the chip.
TV dinner. Where is now? What kind of TV dinner you like, RJ? Where's that, RJ? Lane Cuisine. Lane Cuisine. There he is. I like 250. There it is. Yeah, 250, RJ.
What are you doing?
250.
Cold.
Now we're gonna get milk.
I'm so
Yeah.
cold.
Yeah. Get milk, RJ. Here is 2%. Okay.
Like that. Chicken Caesar.
That,
Gotta get this out of the way before it gets crushed.
yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, RJ. Yes, RJ. I cannot see you, RJ. RJ, not see you. Okay, we go now to
What
Custer,
else is on the
RJ.
list? There's
I
like,
want to fill with the cashier.
is it
Film here.
Yeah, what?
Are you filming?
Yeah?
Oh.
Oh, Jay.
Are
Here.
you?
What's that?
Cars tree.
Wow. You have that already? I know, Daddy.
I want the film.
No, no, no.
Why?
Hold down this.
I can film.